So in the last lesson we have installed Laravel and then we installed Laravel UI. In this lesson we are going to focus to add one field for the channel. So the plan in this course to basically when the user is doing the registration, we need to add a channel name here. So in order to do that we need to prepare our backend. So we will go to the command line and then create one model using PHP artisan command, make model, we call it channel, and then we are going to also create with it the migration and controller because we will need it later. So once that's created, we will jump up to the create channel table and then we'll create some fields. So we'll go to the Visual Code and search for the channel table, and we are going to create some fields here. So on the channel we will be using, we need, first of all we need the user ID, unsigned big integer, which is basically for the relationship between users and between this channel. The relationship will be 1-to-1. So in this course we will be doing only one channel per user, but you can configure it as you want, one-to-many for example. But in this course, the scope of course will have each user has only one channel. So this is for the relationship, and then I'm going to add another one which is basically the name of the channel. So it'll be string name, and also I'll have another one for description, or we'll do the slug, it'll be for slug, and then I'll do another one for UID. The plan here also, I have one slug for the name of the channel, and the user can modify the name and slug, but I'm going to use UID only for some requirements later in the course. For when we're going to upload maybe the videos and pictures, I might use the UID as the name of that files. So I don't want user to be changing it. So also I need table text for description. This will be nullable, it's not required. And then I'm going to have another one for the image, and this will be basically a simple string. This also will be nullable. I'm going to set also relationship, which is basically foreign between the channel and between the user ID, between users and channelers. So user ID column references ID on table users, and then going to set the on cascade or on delete, on cascade delete. So this is now my migration, consists of these fields. So let's go and run the migration using this command. If I go now to the table and refresh it, I'll make sure that the channels is there and we have all these columns ready. Now also I want to build, I will jump and configure the relationship so it is ready for me in the model. So the first thing I'm going to channel model, not channel table, channel model. I'm going to set here. So you have two options for fillable fields, which is the fields that is allowed to be filled by user from the form. For example, either you set the fillable to be array and then you set the columns, like for example name and whatever, or you can select it the other way around using the protected guarded and set it to empty array. I'm going to use this method, or you can use the one which is fillable, which is you need to set it protected. This should be inside the class. Okay, and also then I'm going to send the relationship, which is basically the user. So retain this belongs to or has one, has one, which is basically channel class. Channel class. So this should be user, then sorry, this is should be belongs to, because the channel belongs to the user. So I have set the guarded to be empty, so we are ready to fill anything inside this, the channel model. And also I added one user model, which is basically this is for the relationship between the user, between the channel and the user. So the channel, when I set the user, then it will connect me to the user class. So we are ready here. So let's jump to the user model, and in the user model I'm going also to have, I'm going to call the channel, should be small and should be within this has one. This should be channel. So our relationship is ready. So if I go to Laravel website relationships, and we can confirm or can show you the relationship which is one-to-one we are going to use. So for the channel, for example, the phone is has one. This is the user has one channel, for example. So use the has one, the class, and for the inverse we are going to use the belongs to. So we are setting this one. So in the next video we are going to continue with the registration form.